Hello and welcome to this class. In this class we will be doing our part 8, which is the top frame. Okay, so let me just zoom it and show this part. Okay, you can see the 8th part. It starts from this corner to this corner with a fillet structure over here. Okay, and these are our measurements for it: 20 feet, 2 feet 6 inches, 1 feet, and like this. Okay, and this is drawn from the front view. Okay, so I go to Blender. I will go to my front view. Okay, so I am in the front view now. Here I will go to add. I will go to add curve point. In the point I will go to the simple curve properties. I will keep it 3D and I will keep it in poly. Okay, so click outside, then press A, select all. Then I will start the extrude. The first extrude is right side, 20 feet. 20 feet means I have to enter 20 into 12, 240. So press E, then press X, then type 240, enter. Okay, so then I have to go downwards by 2 feet 6 inches. 2 feet 6 inches means 24 plus 6, 30. So E, Z and minus 30, enter. Then 1 feet, E, X minus 12, enter. Then 2 feet 2 inches, 24 plus 2, 26, E, Z 26, enter. Next we have 19 feet, E, X minus 19 feet, 240 minus 12, 228, minus 228. Okay, press enter. Now I have to close it. Okay, it's around 4 inches. Okay, so E, Z 4, enter. Okay, I have drawn the structure like this. So press tab. Okay, after that I will go to object, I will go to convert, and I will click on mesh. Okay, so after that I have to create the fillet part. The fillet part is 1 feet 6 inches from the top as well as the bottom. So here first I will extrude it by 2 feet. Okay, extrude it by 24. So what we will do, press tab, press A, press F, then press E, then press 24, enter. Then go to the edge mode. This is our edge mode. Select this edge, zoom it. Okay. Select this edge. Then I will go to edge, bevel edges, click somewhere here, go to this bevel. Here it will be, I have given 1 feet 6 inches, 1 feet 6. Okay, don't type 1 feet 6, you have to type 1 feet 6 inches with the symbol. Okay, so it goes like this. Okay, and I will increase the segments. Okay, like this. Okay, segments I give suppose this much. Okay, so then I will select this. This is done. Then I will select this edge. Again edge, bevel edges, click outside, 1 feet 6 means 18. Okay, now see like this, click outside, press tab. So this we have our this one. Okay, so where we have to place it? Okay, so I will move and place it roughly here first. Okay, I will off the snap, just zoom. Okay, and place it roughly like this. Okay, you have to be very careful while placing this. Okay, so this I want to place it in the end point of this one. Okay, so I press G on the snap here, press G now and press it here. Okay, now see. Okay, I am not coloring the things, coloring I will tell later. Okay, so this is my top frame. See, number 8th object doesn't end here. Okay, So I have to create the rack option also in the number 8 itself. Okay, so go underneath it. Okay, so here you have got 1 feet and 2 feet and extrude 2 feet by 6 inches. Okay, what is this actually? This is actually the rack, this point. Okay, this is 1 feet. Okay, this one is 2 feet and the extrusion is 2 feet 6 inches. Okay, so this is from the top view. See here, this is from the top view. I go to top view like this. I go to wireframe. Okay, so you have this point here. See this very carefully, this one, this point. Okay, so now if I click on this cursor and click somewhere, that means whatever object I create, it will be created at this point. So many times you might be facing the problem कि आप ऑब्जेक्ट बनाने का कुछ चाहते हैं बाहर, लेकिन ऐड ऑब्जेक्ट में वो स्क्रीन का बीच में हो जाता है. सो एट दैट टाइम व्हाट यू कैन डू, यू कैन सिलेक्ट दिस कर्सर, प्लेस इट समवेयर आउटसाइड एंड स्टार्ट डूइंग द वर्क. ओके, सो अभी मैं ऐड करता हूँ. आई विल सी, आई कैन डायरेक्टली ऐड ए रेक्टेंगल, आई थिंक. ओके, लेट मी सी हियर. Yes, I can directly add a rectangle of 1 feet by 2 feet. Okay, so here instead of adding a point, I directly add a rectangle. Width, this one is the width, this one is 1 feet, that is 12. Length is 2 feet, that is 24. Done. 3D poly. Okay, done. Click outside, press tab. Then object, convert, mesh. Then press tab, press A, select all, press F to fill, press E. 2 feet 6 inches. 2 feet 6 inches means 2 into 2 24, 24 plus 6 30. So I have to type 30, enter. Now where I have to place this? Go to the shaded mode. I have to place it here. Roughly bring it to the near of the point. I want to place it here. Okay, zoom it. Okay, so snap off. I placed it here. So now this point I want it here. It should be somewhere like this. Now press G. Now see if it automatically snaps on the snap. G, no, it's snapping to the right side. So take it a little bit more nearer to it. Okay. AutoCAD snapping was easy, Max snapping is easy, but here the snapping is bit difficult. Okay, so here I press G now and see, yeah, now I have snapped. So now it is a little bit below this one. Okay, so I can just press tab and I can manually just move it like this. Okay, press tab. So now I have filled this section. So now there is a rack here. Okay, few measurements you have to do from your memory. Okay, so here I have given the measurement actually. See, our total height is 8 feet. Here you have to understand something whenever you design. The complete height is 8 feet. We have given here 2 feet 6 inches. We have given here 2 feet 6 inches. So we have only how much? We have only 3 feet remaining. Okay, so this distance is our 3 feet. Okay, so I will put these 2 boxes here. So now I need how many boxes? I need 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. Out of it, 1 box is this one. We will create a copy of it here. Second box here, copy of it here. That means I need to know the measurement of this box. Okay, height I know, height is 3 feet. Okay, so this one let us take it 2 inches by 2 inches. Okay, so what I do, I go to this one. Here it is 3 feet. They have directly given here. This is 3 feet and this one is 1 inch. Okay, so let me also take that 1 inch. So 1 inch by 1 inch by 3 feet, or you can do like this. Okay, what I do, I go to my top view. I will place my cursor somewhere here. Okay, I will go to add, I will go to curve, I will create a rectangle, से 1 by 1, 1 feet by 1 feet, 12 by 12, 3D poly. Okay, click outside. Okay, sorry, it was 1 inches by 1 inches. I delete this. Add curve rectangle. This was 1 inch by 1 inch, sorry, 1 inch by 1 inch. Okay, now click outside, press tab. Now press tab, press A, press F. No, we have not converted it into object. Convert mesh. Press tab, press A, press F, then extrude it by 3 feet. 3 feet means 2 into 12 into 3, 36. 36, enter. Press tab, go to the shade mode. Now move and place it somewhere here. Okay, then I will snap it. Okay, I off the snap now. Okay, I move it somewhere here. पूरा zoom करके जाना पड़ेगा like this. If needed, keep it in wireframe. Okay, like this. पहले उधर कोने में रख लेते हैं. Okay, so let me keep it in this corner, shaded. ऐसे लेते हैं. उसके बाद snap on, press G. It is snapping to this point. You have to take it somewhere like this, and again you have to snap G. Now snap. Okay, like this. Okay, so now I want this part. I will create a duplicate. Shift D, x-axis. I move and roughly place it here. Then I zoom here, then G, then snap to this. Okay, so I got this. Okay, hope you understood this one. Then we have, this is how much? This was 2 feet 6 inches. This was 1 feet. Okay, and the thickness, let us just take 1 inches. Okay, so I go to the top view. See, after going to a certain point, you should know to visualize measurements. हमेशा ऐसा लिखा हुआ चीज़ पे आप डिपेंड नहीं हो सकते. ओके, सो रैक का मेजरमेंट क्या था? 2 feet 6 and 1 feet. ओके, सो आई गो टू ऐड कर्व. ये भी रेक्टेंगल है. गो टू रेक्टेंगल. 2 feet 6 लेंथ. 2 feet 6 मीन्स 30. नहीं, ये वाला था हमारा 1 feet. This was 12. This was 12. This is 30. Okay, hope I am not confusing. Okay, so ये वाला जो part है, this one. Okay, this part was, let me just see कितना extrude किए थे. 2 feet. Yes, 2 feet. So I think it is 24. ये 24 है. Okay, this one is 24. This one is our 1 feet. Okay, press, click outside, press tab, object, convert to mesh, tab A, F, शेडेड मोड में जाएंगे. उसका एक्सट्रूड होगा कितना? जस्ट बाय 1 inches, E by 1 inches. एंटर. ओके, सो नाउ हाउ टू प्लेस दिस. इसको हम लोग टैब प्रेस करेंगे. टेक, मूव इट हियर लाइक दिस. पहले इसको स्नैप करेंगे, फिर डिस्टेंस में प्लेस करेंगे. ओके, so now I press G to move, snap on. जब स्नैप ज़रूरत हो तब स्नैप रखेंगे, नहीं तो ऑफ कर देंगे. नाउ से आई वॉन्ट टू मूव इन Z एक्सिस. ये कितना था? 3 feet था, तो 1 feet ऊपर उठाते हैं. GZ 12. एंटर. इसका एक कॉपी करते हैं. शिफ्ट D, Z 12. यस, सो दिस इज माई 2 racks. ये जो थोड़ा बाहर आ गया है, डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. ओके, मेज़रमेंट में हम लोग इसका आउटलाइन के साथ मेज़र नहीं किए. ओके, सो लेट इट बी लाइक दिस नाउ. ओके, आप चाहें तो टैब प्रेस करके अंदर मूव कर सकते हैं, बट दिस इज गोइंग टू द बैक साइड, so don't worry, or you can just select and थोड़ा स्केल डाउन कर सकते हैं. इसको सिलेक्ट करेंगे, प्रेस टैब, आई विल सिलेक्ट दिस फेस. ओके, डू इट इफ इट इज एसेंशियल, अदरवाइज उतना कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. ओके, टैब, सिलेक्ट इट लाइक दिस कॉर्नर, इसको मैं थोड़ा सा अंदर ले जाता हूँ. Why we take a little bit inside? Because if two faces are exactly one over another, तो क्या होगा जब texturing दिया जाएगा, it will flicker, because computer sometimes it will take the one face to the front, sometimes it will take other face. See here it is flickering, you can see. So here you just select this tab and take it a little bit inside. Now this will not disturb. They're all technical things. If you just do it once, you will be clear. Okay. देखिए ये वाला मैंने रैक बनाया. Okay. After a certain point, measurement basic दिया जाएगा, तो उसका detailing आपको खुद निकालना पड़ेगा. Every time AutoCAD drawing someone else will not give. Okay. So people in exhibition design will give you an overall area. Okay. और इसका जो सब डिवीज़न है वो आपको क्रिएट करके करना है. तो जहाँ पर भी अभी के बाद कुछ मेज़रमेंट मिसिंग है, तो आपको ओवरऑल मेज़रमेंट का आइडिया हो गया है. कुछ जगह पे आपको एज्यूम्ड मेज़रमेंट्स के साथ वर्क करना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो होप आई एम क्लियर विद दिस पार्ट. ओके, इट इज़ नॉट एक्चुअली डिफ़िकल्ट, लेकिन जूम पैन करके उस पार्ट में जाके बताने में टाइम लगता है. आप जब इसको वर्क करेंगे, प्रोसेस जान लेंगे, इट विल बी ईजियर. ओके, सो डू दिस and show it today. Next class we will go to the other part. Thank you.